Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. A rustic Mediterranean bedroom design combines the warmth and character of a countryside retreat with the breezy elegance of the Mediterranean. Here's how to create this inviting and stylish space. Color palette, earthy neutrals. Create a warm and calming base with colors like terracotta, beige, olive green, and brown. These evoke the natural beauty of the Mediterranean landscape. Pops of blue and white. Introduce accents of Aegean blue and crisp white for a touch of coastal charm reminiscent of Santorini or Mykonos. Furniture, rustic wood. Opt for furniture crafted from reclaimed wood, distressed finishes, and wrought iron accents. Think chunky four-poster beds, nightstands with wrought iron details. And a rustic armoire, natural fabrics. Dress the bed in soft linens, cottons, or textured fabrics like chunky knits for a cozy feel. Consider a linen upholstered headboard for a touch of luxury. Flooring, terracotta tiles. Classic terracotta tiles with a worn-in patina add a rustic charm. Opt for smaller tiles for a more intricate look. Wood floors. Light-colored wood floors in a natural finish create a warm and airy feel. Walls, textured plaster. Opt for textured plaster walls in a warm neutral color for a rustic feel. This adds depth and character to the space. Stone accent wall. Create a focal point with a stone accent wall behind the headboard. This can be a natural stone veneer or a more modern option like stacked stone tiles. Decor, wrought iron accents. Introduce wrought iron elements with a chandelier, sconces, or a decorative mirror for a touch of Mediterranean flair. Woven baskets and rugs. Add warmth and texture with woven baskets for storage and natural fiber rugs, like jute or sisal. Earthenware pottery. Display decorative pottery pieces in warm colors and classic Mediterranean motifs like olives, grapes, or lemons. Wrought iron candle holders. Place wrought iron candle holders with chunky candles on nightstands or a dresser for a touch of ambience. Lighting, wrought iron chandelier. A wrought iron chandelier hung above the bed adds a touch of elegance and drama. Consider a smaller size for a more intimate feel. Sconces. Wall sconces with wrought iron details on either side of the bed provide warm task lighting and a touch of symmetry. Textiles, throw pillows and blankets. Layer throw pillows and blankets in a mix of textures and patterns like stripes, geometric prints, and florals inspired by Mediterranean tiles. Opt for natural fibers like linen and cotton for breathability. Linen curtains. Dress the windows with lightweight linen curtains in a natural color that allows sunlight to filter through during the day and provides privacy at night. Overall vibe, the key to achieving a rustic Mediterranean bedroom is to create a warm, inviting, and serene space that feels like a getaway. It should evoke the tranquility of the Mediterranean coast with a touch of rustic charm. There are many reasons why you might choose a rustic Mediterranean design for your bedroom. Tranquility and escape. The earthy tones and natural materials create a calming and peaceful atmosphere, perfect for unwinding after a long day. It can feel like a mini vacation every night. Warmth and comfort. Rustic elements like textured walls and chunky furniture create a cozy and inviting space that feels like a warm hug. Connection to nature. The focus on natural materials and colors brings the outdoors in, creating a sense of connection with nature and promoting relaxation. Timeless style. Rustic and classic Mediterranean design elements have enduring appeal. This look transcends trends and will likely stay stylish for years to come. Versatility. While rooted in a specific aesthetic, the style offers flexibility. You can incorporate more rustic elements or lean more towards the elegant Mediterranean side depending on your taste. Personalization potential. The use of natural materials and handcrafted elements allows you to create a unique and personalized space that reflects your taste. Romantic ambience. The wrought iron accents, warm lighting, and soft textiles create a romantic and inviting atmosphere, perfect for a couple's retreat. Here's a roadmap to kick off designing your rustic Mediterranean bedroom. 1. Gather inspiration. Source inspiration. Look at pictures of bedrooms in villas, cottages, or farmhouses along the Mediterranean. Notice how they incorporate rustic elements with the breezy Mediterranean style. 2. Consider your space. Measure and sketch. Measure your bedroom and sketch a basic layout. Consider furniture placement, traffic flow, and any architectural features to highlight, like exposed beams. Inventory existing elements. Identify existing elements you'd like to keep or incorporate, like a fireplace, a particular piece of furniture, or flooring. 3. Lay the foundation. Color palette. Choose your base colors from the earthy and blue/white options we discussed earlier. Consider the natural light in your space and how it will affect the feel of the room. Flooring. If a major renovation isn't an option, consider layering area rugs in natural fibers like jute or sisal over existing flooring. Opt for smaller terracotta tiles for a more intricate look if you are replacing the floor. 4. Furniture selection. Key pieces. Start with statement pieces like a rustic wooden bed frame, nightstands with wrought iron details, and a large armoire or dresser. Look for pieces made from reclaimed wood or with a distressed finish. Reimagine and repurpose. Don't be afraid to reupholster existing furniture pieces in natural fabrics to fit the aesthetic. 5. Layer in rustic Mediterranean charm. Textiles. Introduce throw pillows, blankets, and a bedspread in a mix of textures and patterns like stripes, geometric prints, and florals inspired by Mediterranean tiles. Opt for natural fibers like linen and cotton for breathability. Wrought iron touches. Incorporate wrought iron elements through a chandelier, sconces on either side of the bed or a decorative mirror. Natural materials. Layer in woven baskets for storage, a natural fiber rug, and earthy pottery pieces. 6. Lighting, warm and inviting. Opt for warm lighting with a mix of a wrought iron chandelier and bedside sconces with wrought iron details. Consider table lamps with woven shades or terracotta bases. 7. Finishing touches. Accessorize, decorate with artwork, photographs, or decorative objects that evoke the Mediterranean vibe. Think olive branches, seashells, or antique maps. Bring in greenery. Place potted plants like olive trees, palms, or ficus trees for a touch of life and a connection to nature. Remember, this is a guideline. Feel free to personalize your space and have fun with the process of creating your own rustic Mediterranean retreat. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.